Hi guys, I'm Marguerite and welcome back to my channel. So I just filmed a video all about my current beauty tools that I use in my routine and just a little guide on beauty tools. If you're new to beauty tools or thinking, you know, you want to add one to your routine but not sure what, I talked about lots of tools in my previous video. But today I want it to be all about Amazon beauty tools. So I realized I have quite a bit that I've gotten from Amazon. So I figured this would just be my little personalized, my favorite Amazon beauty tools. So I don't have that many and I don't have anything crazy, but I think the ones I have are pretty good. So I want to share them with you. First up is this. I'm probably the most proud of this find because this is a dupe for the Nurse Jamie facial roller. I don't know if you've seen it. A lot of celebrities use it, so I don't know if they're like endorsing it or what, or paid to promote it. That's kind of my guess, because literally in like every go to bed with me video I watch that is a celebrity, they're using it. So I looked it up. I'm like, there's gotta be something like this on Amazon, right? Because Amazon has a dupe for everything. So I found this. Everyone says it's a dupe for the Nurse Jamie facial roller. It's by Youth Lab. It feels heavy. I can't imagine the Nurse Jamie one any heavier. It still has the same knobs and it rolls just like the Nurse Jamie one. So this is great for a facial massager that you can add to your routine. You can do it in the morning or PM. I typically use this in the morning. I use it after I apply all my skincare. You don't want to do it on your bare face. You need some type of protection on your face. So either moisturizer or an oil, or your sunscreen before you go in with it. And then I always roll away from my face. I start at the jawline, go back to the ear, then the middle, and then the up. And then same thing on this side. And that's gonna help lymphatic drainage. So if you have a lot of puffiness when you wake up, and then this way you just go up. But if you have a lot of puffiness when you wake up, this is gonna help with that lymphatic drainage. And you wanna make sure to drink a bunch of water after you do this, by the way. But what it's also gonna do is it's gonna get the blood flow into your face, which in turn is gonna make your skin look like it's glowing. It's gonna bring the blood flow. So, you know, when you exercise, it brings the blood flow to your face. It's gonna give you a natural flush. So this is just a great way to get a little deeper than I think my fingers could do if I did a massage, because I like these little knobs. You can put a little pressure and it really goes in there. I think it also helps tone my face. I've noticed it looks a little more toned and a little more lifted because you're going away and up. So that helps, I think, just kind of push that skin up and helps it lift a little. So I think this is a great Amazon dupe. I love it. I keep mine in the fridge so it's extra cold. Probably put it in the freezer as well. Since we're on the topic of facial rollers, I'm gonna talk about this product. I found this on Amazon. This is House of Roan. And I'll link all these below. But I got this for my jaw pain, and because this wedges perfectly along your jawline. So if you have a lot of jaw pain, this is really great at getting right along that jawline. I think it gets there. I think it gets deeper of a massage there than this does, because this is kind of hard to do right there, whereas this fits perfectly. And I keep this in the freezer. But this I love along the jawline, so I can really get that tension up and going. I keep a lot of tension right here, and I just noticed ever since I've hit my 30s, I have a lot of jaw pain. So I think this really helps. It's just so soothing doing that. But what prompted me to find this is Madonna has her facial roller. Hers is a little bigger, like the balls are a lot bigger. And hers looks kind of funny too. But I think hers is more of a body and facial roller, but hers is $150. I'm like, I'm not paying that. Like, surely Amazon has something like it. Surely enough, it does. This is smaller, but like this is heavy too. And I keep it in the freezer. It feels great. And it's great for that jaw pain. But yeah, you can apply this all over your face, you know, get in between your cheekbone. And again, this massage and this upward rolling is really gonna help tone your face and just get that blood flow going. So I think it helps. It's a great trick at leaning out your skin as well, but the massage is very beneficial too. Next is this. This is a dupe for the Foreo Luna. Similar to the Clarisonic, but I switched to this because it's way more gentle for your skin than the Clarisonic. The Clarisonic, I was just being way too rough on my skin. And so you really want to be careful with the Clarisonic if you have it. So if you're looking for something more gentle, if you don't even know what this is a great also facial massager slash cleanser. You press the button and then it starts vibrating, and I always apply my cleanser directly to this, and then I go in circular motions, and it's gonna help push your cleanser and give you a deeper clean, but it's also really gonna help all your following products absorb deeper into the pore, because it's really opening the pores. It's really giving you that massage. That sonic technology is really giving you a deeper massage so that your following products can really go in and be pushed into your pores. So I love using this with my cleanser. I just find that it gives me a deeper clean and it exfoliates. And then you can use this side to just gently wiggle in. Like after you've applied your product, then you can turn this on with this side and just gently like wiggle it sideways. And that helps press your product in. I tend to not use this side. I just use the main side for the cleansing purposes. I love applying my cleanser directly on here and it just gives me a deeper clean. This is a great little product. This is by Fancy, just your sonic cleansing device on Amazon. Next is the Dermaplane tool. This is as fancy as it gets. This is the Twinkle Eyebrow Razor. You can get it in a pack for $3, y'all. And this, if you're not familiar with dermaplaning, you use this to scrape off the top layer of your skin. So this is something you would do only once a month. You cleanse your skin, use your toner, your makeup remover, make sure all your makeup's off. And then you wanna let your face completely dry. If your face is wet when you do this, you're gonna nick your face and it's just not gonna glide as perfectly across your skin. So once your face is completely dry, then you pull your skin and you go in short little strokes, short little scraping strokes. And it scrapes off all the dead skin because believe it or not, we carry a bunch of dead skin on top of our skin as a top layer. Your whole top layer is dead skin. So if you're not exfoliating, you're not applying a washcloth, or you're not using a sonic device, you got a lot of dead skin going on. And you'd be shocked at how smooth your skin is after you apply this and just how faster and better your products absorb, because also hair can block the absorption of products. Your makeup doesn't apply as well, you know, some people are more hairy than others, so also by shaving off that top hair layer and dead skin, your makeup's gonna look so much more smooth and glide on better and not get stuck in hair. You're not gonna get dead skin stuck in hair, and most importantly, your products are gonna absorb better and your skin's gonna be better. So it's a great little tool. Dermaplaning is an add-on you can do in any facials, and dermaplaning devices are very expensive. I have a dermaplane device and it is just so complicated. Like this, it does the job. And I'll use this for every 2 weeks just for like mustache maintenance, more so than my whole face. I'll just do my whole face once a month, but my mustache twice a week or twice a month. The biggest question people have is your hair gonna grow back darker and more coarse and faster than it would if you didn't do it? And that's a myth. Your hair is not going to grow back thicker, darker, much faster. Your hair DNA is already predetermined. So, you know, when you shave your legs, does that hair come back like twice as thick and twice as dark? No, it's going to come back. You're not completely pulling out that hair follicle. It's going to cut the hair follicle. It is going to come back, but I don't notice mine being any darker, any more blunt or coarser than before I shaved. It's actually going to do more good than you think. It's going to really smooth out your skin, and I just love it for removing dead skin cells. So a great little Amazon trick right here. This is probably the best Amazon tool in the world. Next great Amazon find is this. This is another sonic facial device that you can use as a physical exfoliator when you're cleansing your skin. You can apply your cleanser directly on it. I actually don't use this on my face. It's too harsh for my face, too abrasive. I told you I use this. I think this is more gentle. But if you're looking for a Clarisonic dupe on Amazon, this is it. And it comes with about 4 different brush heads. So I personally like the pumice stone one for my feet because I have the roughest feet in the world, and it does a great job. It just takes batteries, very easy. You don't have to worry about charging it, it's just batteries. And then there's a huge, large body brush head that I like for my arms, my butt. Sometimes I try to get that circulation going to prevent cellulite, and it's cool body brush if you're looking for a huge body brush head, and it comes with that. So it's great. Clarisonic dupe though, if you really like the Clarisonic. Careful with it. You don't want to push too hard, and you don't want to tug that skin more than you need to be doing, you know. Oh, and then lastly is the facial steamer. This is just by Okachi from Amazon. Hello. So easy to use. You press this, you fill the little basin with water, and you plug it in, and within a couple minutes the steam just naturally comes out. You don't want to put your face too far in. That will like burn your skin. I'm gonna keep about 12 inches, so like this is good, you know, you get your face right in there. It has a cute little mirror. I don't really care to look at myself while I'm steaming it, but I don't know, I guess that's kind of cool. They have the mirror for cosmetic purposes, whatever. but steaming is great, especially if you like to give yourself at-home facials or after you cleanse your skin and you want to apply a face mask. You can steam it while that face mask is on, and it's going to help that mask absorb faster. It's going to push it into your skin, and it really opens up the pores. So when the pores open up, it helps the product push deeper in. So that's the main reason I have it, to steam my face while I have a facial mask on. I just find it very relaxing. It's going to add that hydration in your face, but you just want to, like, I make sure when I take my mask off that I apply my moisturizer right away, because then you'll just experience dehydration and water loss. So that's key, applying moisturizer right away after steaming. Yes, you can just go in the shower, but I don't shower every day, and I don't like putting a face mask on in the shower. I just don't. Maybe I should get better about that, but I like doing my nighttime routine. Is just so therapeutic to me. It's like the only time I have to myself after a long day with kids. So it's just something, it's just an added feature. I mean, this thing wasn't that expensive on Amazon, because I originally looked into that Dr. Dennis Gross one for like $100. So Amazon for the win if you want a steamer. Again, it's just gonna help soften your skin. Gonna open those pores, and you could even steam like right when you wake up. Just get your skin plumping, wash your face, steam it for about 5 minutes, and then immediately apply your moisturizer and your SPF, and you're good to go. You'll have very plump looking skin. That completes all my Amazon beauty tool finds. So let me know if you have found any that you have to tell me about, because I love my tools. And let me know if you want to see any of these in further detail or any demonstrations of me using them. I'd love to do that for you. I'd love to do a facial or whatever you want to see. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.